Hello and welcome to this digital camera magazine video tutorial. Today we're going to be showing you how to shoot the perfect autumn portrait. Now here we've got a picture of Elizabeth, and what we want to do is to apply a series of effects and enhancements and a few bits of manipulation just to create a composite autumn portrait. So once we've done that, we've put in a new background, we've also overlaid a few leaves. We should end up with something very autumnal. And here's our final picture just here. And here we can see what we've done is we've replaced the background with a slightly more autumnal looking trees and leaves. We've also changed the hue of the tree itself, so we've given it that sort of autumnal look, and we've also overlaid a few falling leaves. So we'll do that using a series of cutouts, layers and other adjustments. So to get started, we go back to our original image, and what we want to do first of all is just to duplicate our background layer. So as always, if you go over to your layers palette, just drag and drop that onto new layer icon so that we've now got our background copy layer. And we really want to start off just by extracting the background itself. So if we just zoom in a little bit into the picture, we go right up to the top, and what we're going to do is just to use the polygonal lasso tool just to make our selection. So if you just start to click very carefully around the tree and around Elizabeth, then we're looking for quite a good extraction. So do take a little bit of time to get this done. So what I'm going to actually do for this is to leave you and join you in the next part after you've made your selection, and we're going to place in the new background.